Okay, so our notes today are on pages 4 and 5 in your packet. Your DIN was on page number 3. So section 9.2 has to do with the actual dealer's cost. So to find the dealer's cost, you're just going to take the percent of the base price they have to pay, the percent of the options price, add it with the destination charge. That tells you the cost. But before you can even find this step, you have to find the percent of the base price and find the percent of the options price, which looks like it might be difficult, but it's our normal finding the percent of a number so we can handle it. The only thing is we're going to have to do it 2 times in order to find our final answer. So for example, the first one here. The base price is $14,920. So I'm going to write B for base, and I'm going to write $14,920 because I want to save that number. The options total is $2,800. I'm going to put an O for options, $2,800, because I don't want to lose that number. The destination charge is $612. I'm going to box that in because I'm not finding a percent of that number, because that's just the charge. The dealer pays 89% of base price. So 89% as a decimal is 0.89. So I know that's what I'm going to multiply my base price by. And 90% of options. So 0.90, and that's what I'm going to multiply my options price by. What is the dealer's cost? So the first thing I'm going to do are these 2 steps right here, where I'm going to multiply to figure out what their cost is. So 14,920 times 0.89, 13,278.80. 2,800 times 0.90, 2,520. So this is my percent of the base price. This is my percent of the options price. So to find the dealer's cost, I'm going to add the 3 numbers together. And that's my dealer's cost. So my final answer, $16,410.80. So each time we're going to have a base and an options and then the dealer's cost, and we have to find them. I have to find the base and the option before I can find the dealer's cost. So for example 2. The dealer's cost on a sport utility vehicle is 88% of the base price of $53,105. So my base, $53,105, 88% as a decimal is 0.88. 90% of the options price of $1,785. So options, 1,785 times 0.90 plus a destination charge of $340. Box it in, don't forget it. Find the dealer's cost. So we're going to multiply. We're going to multiply again. And then to find the dealer's cost, I'm going to add all 3. When you're ready, turn the page. Pause the video if you need to. Alright. Base options. The check shows a base price of $23,855. With options totaling $2,256. A destination charge of $610. Hold it, don't lose it. The dealer's cost is 90.5% of the base. So 90.5 is 0.905 our base price. And 87% of the options. 87% is a decimal, is 0.87. What is the dealer's cost? So we're going to multiply first. This one we do have to round, 21,588 and 78 cents. $1,962 and 72 cents. Don't have to round that one. So to find my dealer's cost, I'm going to add my three numbers. And that's my dealer's cost. So now you have a assignment to work on with this to practice finding your dealer's cost.